What if I told you in just 7 days you could unlock the part of your mind that you've been too afraid to face? What if, instead of letting your emotions control you, you could control them? Welcome to the 7-Day Dark Mindset Challenge. Control yourself or be controlled. Act 1. Why you need this challenge. Most people wake up every day already defeated. They check their phones, chase instant dopamine, complain about life, and repeat. They live like puppets, moved by fear, anger, sadness, or pleasure. But what if you could live like the antagonist in your own story? Calm, unshakable, ruthless, in discipline. The world respects power, and true power starts in your mind. In the next 7 days, you're going to do something different. You're going to train your mind not to feel less, but to control what you feel. This isn't about becoming cold. It's about becoming unbreakable. Ready? Let's begin. Act 2, the challenge steps. Day 1, silence. No reason. No social media. Just you and your thoughts. Face the chaos in your head. Write down every emotion that screams for your attention. Learn what controls you. Day 2, the enemy within. Identify your biggest weakness: anger, fear, laziness, jealousy. Write it on paper. Stare at it. Admit it's real. The enemy named is the enemy weakened. Day 3. Voluntary discomfort. Cold shower. Skip a meal. Sleep on the floor. Teach your mind. Pain does not control me. Day 4. Observation. Watch your emotions rise and fall like clouds. Don't react. Just notice. Realize you are not your anger. You are not your sadness. You are the watcher. Day 5. Controlled action. Do one thing you hate slowly, deliberately. Clean your room, study, work out, but without music. Learn to act without needing hype. Day 6. Reflection. At night, write down your wins and losses. Where did you stay in control? Where did you fail? Reflect, but don't judge. Day 7. Mastery. Face the same weakness you wrote on day 2 and act directly against it. Angry? Respond calmly. Lazy? Do the work immediately. Fearful? Walk into what scares you. This is you controlling the controller. Act 3. The payoff. In just 7 days, you won't be perfect. But you'll realize you are not a puppet of your emotions anymore. You'll feel stronger, calmer, dangerous in your calmness. Because the real flex is self-control. And the world bows to the man who can't be broken by himself. If this challenge spoke to something deep inside you, subscribe for more dark self-improvement. And if you dare share this video with someone who needs to wake up, control yourself.